Okay, we're here in Lancaster next door to a fire that the flames scorched. So we gotta remove all of the vinyl, melted vinyl. Corner post has to come out of here, so in order to do that we got to take the downspout apart, disassemble the back wall of siding here, remove the spout or the corner post, set the spout aside. We could probably reuse it. We're gonna have to disconnect all the way to the seam of aluminum there for the gutter. We can pull that aluminum fascia out and gonna have to do about 4 feet of soffit, 3 feet of soffit that's melted, and an all new soffit and fascia going up the gable end. And then on this back entrance here, this wall we're going to take, this is a double 4 white vinyl clapboard. It's probably not going to look quite the same as the old. So we're going to have to take this siding apart here between the door and the corner post, replace that corner post, and replace all the siding in here. This trim's been beat on, so that's an old issue. Okay, we're going to have to run all the foam board's going to come off. So we're going to need new insulated foam, and we got 2 broken windows upstairs, and they're approximately 3 foot by 3 foot each. New peak vent, it's got to happen. 24-inch overhang, aluminum fascia and soffit. We're going to have the kick plate. We'll end up putting a new kick plate underneath the door, vinyl siding around the door, new J-block with a light, because that's going to come off. Surprisingly, oh yeah, this soffit and fascia is going to have to come off on this here. It's melted with the gutter, so we're planning on a new gutter there. Okay, the siding, we might be able to get around the block for the power. Surprisingly, I'll have the electrician come in and check check our main feed, make sure that didn't melt. I mean, surprisingly it didn't, but we'll have to make sure that none of the wires in there are melted. That might require the NICEAG to shut the power off for a little bit. I'll have to ask my electrician on that. So I can't tell how the roof is up there, but I was here during the fire, and surprisingly these wires weren't just completely scorched because the wind was blowing this way. This outside corner post has to come off, so therefore we got to take the downspout apart, disconnect all the siding going from top to bottom. We're going to end up having to replace that bit of soffit and fascia on the front, and we'll replace that gutter there too. So that's what's got to happen for this to get corrected. Double 4 white clapboard, downspout here, because all the siding is going to end up coming off, so we won't have a problem matching our lines all the way across. Got all the measurements, and I don't see any J-blocks or power, but it looks like they've got a power vent for heater or something exhausting out of there. Short of that, we can get this thing put back together ASAP.